Hey, what's up guys? It's me Shubham Panda once again back with another new video. And so guys, on this one we are going to discuss on how you can make some whiteboard animations like this. So guys, it's not very big deal, it's very easy, but you have to follow my steps very clearly. There's one app called VideoScribe, which is an original one which you are be getting of trial period, but I will be showing you how to crack. So let's get started. So guys, at first you have to go to your web browser and search for VideoScribe download original version. And once you have done, you just hit onto the VideoScribe's original site. After that, just you have to do some that download the version of your computer suitability. So before that, you need to be signed in the website. So for signing in, it's very easy. Just have to give your username, password, and your mobile number or your email ID. I have already signed in, so I am showing here the version. So my is Windows 32-bit, so I am downloading that. Okay, so it is downloading. It's of 50 MB. Okay, while it is downloading, let me show you one thing, that at the background you should be having one VideoScribe bin file. I would be giving the link in the description box below. You can download it from there, and that is the main crack file. Okay, after the downloading is completed, wait for the downloading to be completed, and after the downloading is completed, just install the setup, but don't run it. So let me show you how you have to do that. Okay, the downloading is done and the installation is like this. Just do next and wait for the installation to be completed. Okay, the installation is completed. Just uncheck the launch VideoScribe, and after that just copy this VideoScribe in folder and just go to your this PC, go to local disk C, just go to program files and find your sparkle and just sparkle VideoScribe and just paste it here. And here you have to just replace it, wait for the prompt to come. The prompt will be coming within a few seconds, as because okay, now it's done. Replace the file in destination and just do continue and wait, as this is a long file, so it will take quite time to replace. Okay, it's done. So now let's open the video app to find out where it is. Okay, here it is. Just click on VideoScribe, open. Okay, as this is the first time, so it will take quite time to open, and you have to just give your username and password which you have signed in that time. Don't worry, it would be fine. You will be getting the full version of this VideoScribe. Okay, now it has came, so you can see VideoScribe sparkle. Just give the registered email ID which you gave there and the password which you gave there. Okay, after that you have to just click on login. Okay, so now login, and now you are in offline mode. You just create a new scribe there. There are many options available. For scribe, you just click on text and just type your message. Whatever you want to do, so subscribe to my channel. This is the text. Okay, after that just click on tick button and it will be something like this. and just maximize the time and just preview play. Okay, so now like this it would be. So guys, after that just we have to export it here and save video offline. And as you can see, no logo is there. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked, then leave a like, subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. This is Shubham Panda signing out.